Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into cosine x to the power of 4 and cosine x in here. This one we can put into cosine x squared to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. So, because we have cosine x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosine x dx. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 5. This one we change by u, and we have u squared in here. This one we change by du. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, this one multiplied by number 1 u squared and u to the power of 4. Next, we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, and here. So we put number 5 go in here. So 5 plus 1, we have number 6. So we have u to the power of number 6 over 6. Now similar for the second one. And the last one. Two divided by 8, we have 1 over 4. U we change by sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.